Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to become Zalando partner. Now if you want to become the Zalando partner but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now to become the Zalando partner, it allows you to sell your fashion or lifestyle product on Zalando marketplace. Now to first make sure that you are suitable for it. So before applying, ensure that you sell fashion, footwear, beauty products or lifestyle products, and make sure that your business is also registered and is able to fulfill the European orders, and you can make sure that you can also handle the shipping and returns or use the Zalando logistics services if you want to use it like that. Now to become partner or to apply for Zalando partner program, you need to simply go on the Zalando official partner page. So simply open Google Chrome and there you may search www.zalando.de and you may also simply enter slash and search partner partner and click on the option of go. Now it takes you to the page of the Zalando partner. Now from here you need to click on the option of apply now. So if you are able to see the option of apply now, you need to click on it and you need to fill out the application form with details about your business, and also you need to submit your product catalog, pricing and logistic details. And so after that you need to wait for the Zalando's approval. Now this can take up to few weeks or few months, so it may depend on the Zalando's approval. So after you are approved, then you will be able to become the partner on Zalando. So that's it. That's how you can become a Zalando partner. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.